this video, we talk about energy and electricity demand projections for India in 2047. Why are we taking 2047? The reason is that in 2047, India will complete 100 years of independence. Therefore, Niti Aayog, which has developed a report, Energizing India, has given the energy and electricity demand projections for 2047, and we have used that particular report here. Coming to energy efficiency means use of less energy for the same work output, and this can be achieved through use of more energy efficient techniques, devices, and appliances. Why are we discussing energy efficiency here when we have to discuss energy and electricity demands? The reason is that demand projections depend on many factors, and out of which one is energy efficiency. If we assume that in coming years there will be advancement in techniques and devices to become more energy efficient, then the projected demands may be reduced. It is estimated by International Energy Agency in a report, India 2020 Energy Policy Review, by raising the level of its energy efficiency ambition, India can save some 190 billion US dollars per year in energy imports by 2040. And India can avoid electricity generation of 875 terawatt hours per year, almost half of the India's current annual power generation. So therefore we can see that efficiency impacts the demands. Therefore, for energizing India, Niti Aayog has assumed two scenarios: business as usual scenario and ambitious scenario. Business as usual scenario takes the situations as they are and assume these go on similarly without much change, whereas the ambitious scenario assumes a greater penetration of energy efficiency measures, renewables, and technological interventions. This table presents the energy demand projections for India for 2047 and as compared to 2012. Here we can see for various sectors like building, industry, transport, pumps and tractors, telecom, the demands are increasing, whereas for the cooking sector, it is expected that the demands may decrease due to more energy efficient developments in cooking stoves and the shifting of energy demands to electricity. For buildings, it can be seen the energy demands are likely to increase to 10 to 12 times. For industry, these are likely to increase 4 to 5 times. At present, industry, we can see that for 2012, the industry values are quite high itself, and these are likely to increase 4 to 5 times by 2047. For transport, likewise, it is expected that 4 to 6 times increase may be seen. Pumps and sectors almost 3 times, for telecom also more than 2 times. So therefore the demands are likely to be increased, and when comparing the business as usual and ambitious scenario, we can see the potential energy demand reduction in 2047 between business as usual and ambitious scenario. The difference is 25%. Therefore, it is clear that with 25% energy demand reduction with energy efficiency measures, we should move towards more energy efficient techniques and devices. Let us see the electricity demand projections. The electricity demand projections are shown in this particular table for various sectors. Here also we can see buildings will be major consumers, around 10 to 12 times electricity demand will be increased for buildings. For industry, these will be 4 to 5 times. Transport, it will be 3 to 4 times. Pumps and tractors, almost 3 to 4 times. And others, which may include the cooking sector also, is almost 10 times increase. Potential reduction in electricity demand in 2047 in business as usual and ambitious scenario is around 9%. Here it is interesting to see that for industry, the demands, electricity demands are more in ambitious scenario as compared to the business as usual scenario. The reason is it is expected that industry may move to more efficient methods which are based on electricity. Therefore, these demands are high in ambitious scenario. Thus, it is expected that the energy and electricity demands are going to be manifolds in coming years.